My current rank is the first sergeant. My duty is I'm eligible to use M4. Uh, yeah, and I'm meant to guard Boys Gate. Sorry, North Gate. I mean North Gate, and basically make sure my lower ranks are in line and stuff like that. My next rank is the sergeant major. I'll be in charge of all the soft acts, and I'm now eligible to RP with civilians at North Gate. Um, the 5 days rules. You are not allowed to be away from the keyboard. You are not allowed to drive on base without a general permission. You are not allowed to leave the base without a general. You have to respect all higher ups and your fellow mates. And yeah, there's no unlawful shooting. RP 13 is non-fraction role play. Sexual harassment. There should be no sexual harassment of any kind. There should be no discrimination. Thank you so much, sir.